Welcome. So in this session, we will talk about one of the very important topics for your upcoming NET December examination in UGC Paper 1 Higher Education section, and that belongs to the contemporary developments in higher education. So very important, Britain now would have 9 campuses that would be established in India. The first campus was already given a green signal back, and that was University of Southampton, and this was in Gurgaon. Now 8 new universities from Britain have been given the permission to have their campuses in India, and these are the 3 universities in Mumbai that would be coming would be University of York, Aberdeen and Bristol. Then in Bangalore it would be Lancaster University and University of Liverpool. Note that the universities that would be coming in Mumbai and Bangalore would follow the rules of UGC for foreign institutions to be established in India. That means they would have to make research compulsory and research activities compulsory in the university. However, the last 3 universities that would be coming in the gift city Gandhinagar would be under the SEZ Gandhinagar and SEZ gift city, and these would it's not yet clear whether they would be following the rules of UGC for research activity or not. The 3 universities that would be coming in gift city would be the Queen's University of Belfast, Coventry University and University of Surrey. Now the most important thing is this is estimated to meet the projected need for student demand, and that is somewhere landing to 70 million students which would be enrolled for various courses by 2035 as of the current 40 million. Also, it is expected to boost the UK's economy by nearly 50 million pounds. So 8 new campuses and one already in Gurgaon, which was given a signal long back. These are very important topics. Which university is coming in which city again can be a very important question for your upcoming NET paper 1. Of course, for the complete series of NET paper 1, you can refer the link on doorstep below. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.